You have been doing so many things since morning. You have been doing. So maybe you are finishing your daily business. Maybe you are helping your parents. You come to school, get ready for school. You have lunch. You play on the ground. You help each other. Sometimes you participate in the competitions and you do homework. You go home and so many things you will do in your daily routine. But today I am going to ask you a few questions from your Telka Chaitanya textbook, that is 7.1 learning.com. So you have to give me response to the questions. Okay children? Can you do children?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. So please, before I could begin activity number 1, so may I request please come and form a line children. Please come here. Please form a circle. Okay, thank you very much. Very nice. Okay. What is your name? Okay. How are you?
I am fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good. How do you help your parents?
I help my parents bringing water.
Okay, very nice. With whom do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast with my parents.
Okay, very nice. What is your morning routine?
My morning routine is doing exercise.
Very nice. You do exercise, no? Very good. Then, what is your favorite television show?
My television show Dance Karnataka.
Very nice. Please watch it. And what is your favorite television show?
My favorite television show is Comedy Killadi.
Wow, very fantastic. Can you all speak English, children?
Yes, I can speak.
Okay, can you all speak English?
Yes, can.
Okay, please.
Yes, I can speak.
Okay, fantastic. Please down. Where do you do your homework?
My home.
In your home, is it? Very nice. What time do you go to bed?
9 p.m. sir.
Very fantastic. Okay, what time do you sleep? 10 p.m.
10 p.m.
Very nice. Then, how do you go to school?
10.
By what? No? You go to school by what? Yes. Where do you stay? Where do you stay?
I stay in Olihar.
Yes. Do you all stay in Olihar only?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Very good. Which is your favorite sport?
Kabaddi.
Kabaddi. Very nice. Then, who eats dinner with you? Father?
Father.
Father eats dinner with you? Okay. Okay. What time does your school start? 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Is it? School starts. Okay. Then, when is your birthday?
My birthday is on 5 October 2010.
Yes, very good, very good. Thank you very much. Please go. Thank you very much. Please go. Thank you. Okay, dear students, now we are going to study activity number 2. Put the actions given in the box below in the appropriate columns as per your daily routine. So it is there in your page number 2, but here we are going to do some activity. So for that, I invite 4 students. Please come here and please listen to my instructions first carefully. If action is to be done in the morning, please come and join in the morning group. And if it is in the afternoon, please join in the afternoon. If it is evening, please join in the evening. And if it is night, please join in the night group. Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please come, children. 4 students, please come here. Okay? Yes, glasses? In the morning. Please take it. Stand up here properly. Okay, very good. Yours is afternoon. Yours is evening. And yours is at night. Please stand up there. Yes, dear students. Yes, dear students, let us see. Wake up.
In the morning.
Please come. Wake up andre ಹೇಳುವುದು. Okay. So next, Eat breakfast.
In the morning, sir.
Please go there. Very good. The next, brush teeth.
In the morning.
Yes, please go. Get ready to school.
In the morning.
Please go. Next, do exercise.
In the morning.
Please go. Very good. Now, lunch ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನದ ಊಟ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Eat lunch. Eat lunch.
In the afternoon.
Yes, please come. In the afternoon. Then read newspaper.
In the morning.
Please join. Then dinner ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What do you prepare dinner? ರಾತ್ರಿ ಊಟ. Is it? So then next, have dinner.
At night.
Yes, please come. Go to sleep.
At night.
At night, please come. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಡಿನ್ನರು ಮತ್ತು then again go to sleep at night ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದ. Then again one more question. Do homework. Homework ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? In the yes, please come in the evening group. Do homework. Yes, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? After school hours, you all have to do homework in the evening. Next, watch TV.
In the evening.
Yes, please come. Watch TV. If you want to watch, please watch in the evening. So after finishing all the work, you can watch. Okay? You can watch news also. Then have bath. Have bath. Morning. Yes. ಸ್ನಾನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Please join in the morning group. There. Next, play games. ಆಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Afternoon. Yes. Play.
Reading.
In the afternoon, ಅವಾಗ ಆಡ್ಬೋದು. Yes, in the afternoon. Please come. Then again, yes, wash clothes. ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ತೊಳಿತೀರಿ?
In the morning.
ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ತೊಳಿತೀರಾ? Yes, very good. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ. ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ಟೆನ ತೊಳೆದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. Yes. Yes, thank you very much, children. So you all have to write in the columns given in your Kalika Chetarke book. Okay, will you all write, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks. Now we are going to discuss activity number 3. So it is read the following table and fill it up with your friends. So here, so the students Sri and Raju are coming here. Let us see how Sri will ask question to Raju and how Raju responds. Please watch. Yes. Okay, Sri, now ask him questions.
Yes, sir. Do you read books? Yes. Do you watch TV? Yes. Do you play video games? No.
Please
Do you listen to music? Yes.
listen to me. Please pay attention.
Do you play outdoor games? Yes. Do you like swimming? Yes. Do you feed animals? Yes. Do you help father or mother? Yes. Do you ride a bicycle? Yes. Do you walk to school? Yes.
See, very good. See, so ಅವನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಗೇಮ್ ನೋಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಅ ಕ್ಲಾಪ್. My dear students, in simple sentence ದಲ್ಲಿ you all can see here. Please here reads. This word is there, no? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ main verb ಅಂತಾರೆ. This is main verb. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಎಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹಚ್ತೀವಿ. ರೀಡ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಉತ್ತರ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಚ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ ಡಿಯರ್, ಟ್ರೈ.
My friend reads books.
ಗುಡ್.
My friend watches TV.
ಎಸ್,
My friend does not play video games.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
My friend
Listens
listens
to
to music.
ವೆರಿ
My
ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್.
friend
Please.
plays outdoor games.
ಎಸ್,
My friend likes swimming.
ಎಸ್,
My friend
ಫೀಡ್ಸ್.
feeds animals.
ಎಸ್,
My friend helps father or mother.
ಎಸ್,
My friend rides a bicycle. My friend walks to school.
Yes, very fantastic say here. So his friend, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು his ಅಂತ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, his friend, ಅವನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನೋಡೋಣ. his friend reads books. ನಾನು his ಅಂತ ಪದ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಯ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ, ಅವನು ನನ್ನ ಗೆಳೆಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾನು. ನಾನು his ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಅವನ ಗೆಳೆಯ. ಓಕೆ, his friend watches TV. his friend does not play video games. his friend listens to music. his friend plays outdoor games. his friend likes swimming. his friend feeds animals. And his friend helps father and mother. his friend rides a bicycle. his friend walks to school. Very fantastic answer given by and please hear with my dear students, now we are all going to study. We are going to discuss activity number 4. This is all about market. I think we are really love to go to market, isn't it? Isn't it, children? Yes. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Good. I hope that you used to go to market with your mom and dad. And I also hope that you might have gone to market and bought many things. Anybody visited here Mansuri market? Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Visited? And again, where market is placed? More? Yes. Again? Yes. Campot also is there. Yes. Again, one more nearby. Very big market. Athani market is very big market, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Very fantastic. Okay, very good. Now please tell me, dear students, I also request you to please come here and share about your views about you visited market very recently. Yes, please, who will come? Will you? Please come.
Good morning, everybody. I am Deepika Ramesh. I study in 7th standard in Government Kannada Higher Primary School, Nolihad. I speak about the market. I visited Campot market recently. Full of crowded. There were vegetable sellers, fruit sellers, and fruit sellers. Thank you, everybody.
Good. Very fantastic. See here. Yes, very nice. Now please, yes, can you please, would you like to read? Yes, please read. Yes.
Good morning, everybody. I am Amal Narayan Vijay, student of 7th class, Government Kannada Higher Primary School, Nolihad. I went to Athani market on Sunday. It was a very big market. Vendors sit very systematically. There were vegetables, fruits, grocery vendors. Thank you, sir.
Yes, very fantastic. Here. So there are, so many stalls are there. And again many small, sellers, vendors would sit beside of the road. Okay. So again there, farmers also will come for selling. Again you can see very handsome buildings, handsome stalls, stationaries, groceries, and many more things you will get in the market. Is it not, children? Okay. Now students, we are all going to discuss now activity number 5. It's all about, dear children, nothing but read the following passage carefully and answer the questions. So ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ಓದಬೇಕು. ಓದ್ತೀರಾ? Yes. So what you do, once I would like to read for you, and you have to just pay attention, listen to me, and then later on I will do time to read, and you have to answer the questions. Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
Once I would like to read. It was a Sunday evening. I went to the market with my father. The market was crowded with people. All are getting crowded with people. The vendors were busy selling different things such as fruits, vegetables, toys, tasty toffees, and bangles. I wanted my father to buy me some bangles and toys. In the beginning, he refused, but later he agreed to buy one. He searched in his pocket for money, but he found that his wallet was missing. Nothing. Wallet was missing. Immediately, we complained to the police standing there. The policeman showed the wallet to my father and said, "Is this your wallet, sir?" I felt that it was my father's wallet. The policeman said that a nice young boy had found it on the road and had given it to me. Okay, and to return to its rightful owner, father received the wallet from the policeman and checked it. Everything was inside as it was. We could not find why to express our gratitude. But we thanked the policeman before leaving. My father did not fail to buy me toy and bangles. We returned home very happily with some sweets and fruits to my mother and brother. Students, did you all understand this passage? Dear students, understood the passage?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I would like to ask you a few more questions. Okay? Can you please tell me the meaning in Kannada? Will you tell meaning in Kannada?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dear students, if you know the answer, please raise the hand.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Vendors andre ಏನು? Vendors. Yes, please. ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿಗಳು. Yes. ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿಗಳು. Fantastic. Then, okay, what are the things selling in the market? ಯಾವ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ? ಏನೇನಿದ್ದು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ? Yes. ಏನೇನಿದ್ದು ಹೇಳಿ? Yes. Yes. Bangles, toys, vegetables, ಮತ್ತು fruits. Fruits ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ? Yes. Okay. Then again. Yes. Okay. Now please, I would like to ask questions given in the passage. Question number 1. Here, dear students, tell me how many characters are mentioned in the passage?
3 characters are mentioned in the passage.
Yes, 3 characters mentioned in the passage. No? What are those 3 characters? How character ಯಾವ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? One is daughter, father, and policeman. Fantastic. Very good. Please clap for them. Question number 2. Next question is, who had given the wallet to the police?
The young boy had given the wallet to the police.
Yes, who had given? The young boy had given. Who had given children?
Young boy.
Yes. Okay. Question number 3. What did the speaker want his father to buy for her?
Some bangles and toys.
Yes, some bangles and toys. ಆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಇದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅವಳು ತನ್ನ ತಂದೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ಆಟಿಕೆ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Good. Please sit down. Very good. Now, when did the father buy the toy for the speaker?
After getting the wallet from police.
Yes, very excellent answer. So in the beginning he refused, but later when he received wallet from policeman, then father agreed to buy toys and bangles for her. Is it not, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now describe the market scene. Anybody please? Yes, will you?
The market was crowded with people. The vendors were busy selling different things such as fruits, vegetables, toys, tasty trophies, and bangles.
Yes, very very fantastic. Please give big hands. Okay, thank you. Now my dear students, now we are moving towards 5.2. Are the following statements true or false? Will you not tell?
Yes.
Okay. ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದು yes ಅನ್ಬೇಕು. Will you not tell the answer?
Yes, sir.
Good. The policeman was helpful. The policeman was helpful. True. Yes. ಸರಿ ಇದೆ ಅದು. Helpful. Then question number 2. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. True ಅಂತ. Yes. Written no? Written sir. Written?
Written, sir.
Okay. Then the boy was honest. ಆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾ ಅನ್ಬಾರ್ದು. HONEST ಇಲ್ಲಿ honest ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬೇಕು. Yes.
True.
True. Right. Very good. Then the market was not crowded. False. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕ್ರೌಡೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅಂತ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ದೇ ವೇರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯೂ ವೆಂಡರ್ಸ್.
False.
Yes, few ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮೂರು ಜನ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿಗಳು ಸಂಜೆ. ದೇ ವೇರ್ ಮೆನಿ ವೆಂಡರ್ಸ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಹೂ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ದ ಪೊಲೀಸ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ದೆನ್ the father did not buy anything from the market.
False.
Yes, because already father bought. Please sit down. So gratitude ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Who will tell gratitude? Yes. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆ. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೃತಜ್ಞರಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಗುರುಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ. ಕೃತಜ್ಞ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ತಿಳಿಸಬೇಕು ಮನದಿಂದ. ಕೃತಜ್ಞರಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದವರಿಗೆ. Is it not, children?
Yes, sir.
Good, very good. Now, dear students, shall we move on? In picture will ನೋಡ್ರಿ. We have drawn one picture here. See here, just simple draw is there. A policeman is standing. Can you all see? Father and daughter. So all market, fruit seller is there, vegetable seller, everything is there, no? Is there or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, fantastic. Okay, dear students. Now next, we move on to next passage. That is passage number 1.8. Okay, read. Now we are going to discuss assessment activity 1.8. Read the following story and answer the questions. So you have to repeat after me. Hello, Venkara?
Yes, sir.
Last summer, we went to the village where my grandmother lives. She has a farm. In her farm, there are many animals. There are cows, goats, cats, kittens, cocks and hens. She spends her time feeding the animals. Some animals eat hay and grass, while others like to drink milk. They all drank water from the pond at the corner of the farm. After drinking from the pond, all the animals would gather under the big tree and sleep in the shade. Very good, very good. Now, dear students, let us see summer season. ಒಂದು ಶಬ್ದ ಬಂದಿದೆ. What do you mean by summer? ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು?
ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ಕಾಲ.
ಎಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್. ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮರ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈನಿ ಸೀಸನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಒಂದೇ ರೇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಬೇಕು. ರೈನಿ, ರೇನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಳೆ, ರೈನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಳೆಗಾಲ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ವಿಂಟರ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಎಸ್ ಚಳಿಗಾಲ. ಅದು ಯಾವುದು? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ವಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ವಿಲೇಜ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಸಿಟಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್.
Option A, village.
Yes, right answer. Very good. Please note.
Thank you, sir.
Next, grandmother had a dash. Option A garden, option B truck, and option C farm.
Option C, farm.
Yes, farm ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊಲ. ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಹೊಲ ಐತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Yes, very good. Next, question number 3. She used to spend her time dash the animals. Option A beating, और ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಹೊಡಿತಿದ್ರು ಆಚೆ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಚೇಜಿಂಗ್, ಮತ್ತು ದನ್ನ ಓಡ್ತಿದ್ರು.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಫೀಡಿಂಗ್.
Option C, feeding.
ಎಸ್, ಆಹಾರವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಯಾವುದು?
Option C, feeding.
ಫೀಡಿಂಗ್. ಯಾರು ರೈಟ್? ಬೋತ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್. ಈಗ ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಟೈಟಲ್. ಒಂದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ? ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಎಸ್,
Grandmother and animals.
ಎಸ್, ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್. ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮದರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. ಎಸ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು, ಡಿಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್?
No, some animals ate hay and grass.
ಎಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಹಾಲನ್ನು ಕುಡ್ತಿದ್ವು. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ನೋವು ತಿಂತಿದ್ವು, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಹುಲ್ಲನ್ನು ತಿಂತಿದ್ವು. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ?
Yes.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಮನೆ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿದಾವೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೋಳಿ, ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್, ಕಿಚನ್ಸ್, ಕೌಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಸಿ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. 1 point B. Okay. Here, you all can please, students, look at the picture at page number 8.
Yes, sir.
Can you all please look at the picture?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಮಿತ್ರರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್. Yes, please, Thomas Sarkar. Please, well, WELL well ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾವಿ. Yes, yes, ಕೂಡ್ರಿ. Yes, yes. This is a well. This is a well. Well ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾವಿ. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾವಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? All of you just say a thirsty fox. Yes, a thirsty fox once lived in a forest. The fox was very thirsty, so he wanted to drink water. In search of water, he was roaming in the forest. Finally, he finds a fox. A fox finds a well. So, water is not very deep. ನೀರು ಆಳವಾಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Water is not very deep. So, he wanted to drink water, but fell into the well. ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತು. Yes. So, he was trying to get out of the water, but not able to come out of the well. And finally, what he has to do? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಒಂದು ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ವಾಸ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆನ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ. ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಕಾಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದು. ಇದರ ಅವಕಾಶ ಏನು ನೋಡ್ರಿ? ಯಸ್, ನಾವು ದೇರ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಅ ಥರ್ಸ್ಟಿ ಗೋಟ್. ಆಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕೇಳಿ.
Water is good. Please join me. Please join me.
ಯಸ್, ವಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಹಾಡು ಯಾರನ್ನು ಕೇಳದೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡದೆ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಅದ್ ಮಾತನ್ನ ನಂಬಿ ಇದು ನೀರ್ ಕುಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್, ಸಿ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಸ್, ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೋಟ್, ಈ ಹಾಡಿನ ಸಹಾಯದ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ನರಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಜಿಗಿದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್, ನೋಡಿ ವಾಚ್ ದಿಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಜಿಗಿದು ಹೋಯ್ತು ಪಾಪ ಹಾಡ. ಬೋಟ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವೆಲ್, ರಿಮೇನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವೆಲ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಮಾರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಇಸ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರ, ಲುಕ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಯು ಲೀವ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚಿತವಾಗಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸರಿ ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ಸರಿಪಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಮುಂದಿನ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಅಣಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಂಬಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಆಗಿನ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಆದಂಗೆ ನಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ, ಲುಕ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಯು ಲೀವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟೂಡ್? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾರಲ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ಕಥೆಯಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ ನೀವು? ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಏನ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ ಕಥೆಯಿಂದ? ಏನ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ ನೀವು? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತು? ನೀವು ಆಗಿನ ತರ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಏನ್ ನರಿತರ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ನರಿತರ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬಂದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬನನ್ನ ಕೆಳಗೆ ತುಳಿದು ತಾನು ಪಾರಾಯ್ತು, ಆತನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು ನಾವು. ಅದ್ರ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶವಾದಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸರಿ ತಪ್ಪನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮುಂದಿನ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಅನಾಹುತಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಾರಣಕರ್ತ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಪ್ಪಿಸಬಹುದು. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ದೇವರು ಬುದ್ಧಿಶಕ್ತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ವಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ? ಎಸ್, ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಈ ಚಿತ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಕಥೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿದಿರ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ ನಾನು ಕಥೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಲಿವ್ಡ್ ಅ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್. ದ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಥರ್ಸ್ಟಿ. ಥರ್ಸ್ಟಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀರಡಿಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ he went. He roamed everywhere and finally he found a well. So he came near the well. Water was not very deep. And then a fox wanted to drink. Suddenly it fell into the well. So when it fell into the well, he could not come out. He tried but could not come out. And he was waiting for something. There came a goat. Goat was also very thirsty. Then the fox had a plan. Said, "Oh my dear friend goat, please listen to me. See here, water is very good, very sweet. You have never tasted in your life. Please join me." Then the goat, without taking, jumped. Finally, the fox jumped on the back of the goat and went out of the well. Goat remained in the well. Okay, understood children?
Yes, sir.
ಈ ಸ್ಟೋರಿನ ಯಾರು ಓದ್ತೀರಾ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ anybody read? Yes, please. You can read.
Once there lived a fox. He was thirsty. He found a well nearby. He began to drink. But fell into the well. He could not get out of water. The thirsty goat come. The fox said, "Water is very sweet." The goat jumped into the well. The fox jumped out of the well with the help of goat
Yes.
self. The goat remained in the well.
Moral of the story is
Moral of the story: look before you
live. Very good. Yes, can you read? Yes, please read.
Once there lived a fox. He was thirsty. He found a mill. Nearby he began to drink, but fell into the mill. He could not get out. A thirst. Came the fox. Said water is very sweet. The goat jumped into the mill.
Well,
Then the fox jumped out of the mill with the help of goat safely.
came. So moral of the story is look before you lead. Please sit down. So, my dear students, yes, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಕೆಲವು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರ ನೋಡೋಣ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಕುಶಾಲ್ ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಎಸ್ ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಡೂ ಯು ರೀಡ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಎಸ್ then do you watch TV yes do you play video games
No.
do you listen to music do you play outdoor games
Yes.
very good then again do you like swimming
Yes.
do you feed animals
Yes.
do you help father
Yes.
do you help mother
Yes.
do you ride a bicycle
Yes.
very good do you walk to school please sit down so ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಎಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಡೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ನಾ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ತರ ಕೇಳಿ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ನೀವು ತುಂಬಬೇಕು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ನೋಡಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ activity 3.1 you have to make a sentences as shown in the example given below page number 4 please open page number 4
Yes,
please
sir.
open
Yes, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀತೀರಾ
Yes, sir.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ 5.2 activities they see are these sentences true or false so ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು you have to write and come so true and false ಇದ್ದುದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸರಿಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು will you write homework children
Yes, sir.
please ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು 5.2 homework please take your children
Yes, sir.
in your notebook please take down 5.2 tick you please tick ಮಾಡಿ tick ಮಾಡಿ yes are these following statements true or false tick ಮಾಡಿ sir yes everybody ready
Yes, sir.
very good then one more is ನೋಡಿ 1.8 fill in the blanks okay so he has given 5 questions can you write the answer children
Yes, sir.
ಇದು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ then again so please write and come one more homework I would like to give you everybody please write and come the story ಇದು the fox and the goat story ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀರಾ
Yes, sir.
okay ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು so tomorrow you have to narrate the story in your own words ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಬ್ದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು will you all do this children
Yes, sir.
okay this much homework is there yes one more is given here activity 2 please open page number 2 children please
Yes, sir.
everybody open children
Yes, sir.
so you know here in the morning in the afternoon in the evening at night so he has given can you see
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ದನ್ನ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಇದ್ದದನ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೀರ ನಾಳೆ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
Yes.